And probation, these are going to be applications.
Plural?
I'm sorry.
Plural?
No, it's Troy Moore. Everyone, please whisper. Court is calling 2025 CR 009982 and 2025 CR 009908. State versus Troy Moore. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Lauren Espinosa for the state.
Meredith should come for Mr. Moore.
And are you Mr. Moore? It's a bold move coming around with a Boston Red Sox. You know, I don't know how people feel about that. I used to love Pittsburgh, but mainly because of the uniforms.
Okay, the Pirates, yeah.
Oh, yeah, they used to have the nice caps. I even had my mom buy me one. I shouldn't say I had her buy me one, but I begged for one. And I thought their colors were so cool. All right, counsel, have you received all discovery in each of the cause numbers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery and each cause number. Did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Did you review the true bill of indictment in each cause number? And did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
State and the cause number ending 82, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir.
And in the cause number ending in 08, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Mr. Moore? And each cause number, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? All right, and the cause number ending in 08, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 to 4 grams. That's a 3rd-degree felony. And the cause number in 82, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 less than 1 gram as a habitual. If the state is able to prove up the enhancements, then that will, the punishment will be assessed as though it's a 3rd-degree felony. Range of punishment for both of those cases then will be 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Moore, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter these pleas? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering these pleas, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand? In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
In each cause number, according to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. The state is recommending community supervision, and the cause numbers will run concurrently. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense and state?
Yes.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph in each cause number? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours community service restitution, participation in
Veterans.
VTC and MRT, and compliance with all conditions from those programs, from that program. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? All right. Then to each offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
And in the cause number ending in 82, to the enhancements, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State offer states exhibit 1 in all attachments in both causes.
No objection, Judge.
All right, and you may be excused. And each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Sure.
All right, court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, and each cause number, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. And in the cause number ending in 8-2, the court will find the enhancements true based upon your plea of true and based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge, and he's already done the referral to Veterans Treatment Court. He's been accepted, and I believe his orientation date is June the 4th
Okay,
to enter the program. We just had to do the plea today.
all right. All right, you need to make sure you make all of those dates, okay?
Yeah.
And with regards to any drug use, if you think you're gonna use, if something's going on with your life, you gotta reach out to people, okay?
Yes.
And so do you have someone to reach out? Does he have someone?
I have a family.
All right, so sometimes people say sponsors work for them. What I can tell you is I represented people and it took them 6 months to find a sponsor, right? And the reason why is because sometimes your personalities don't mesh or something, but you really need to start doing that, okay?
And Judge, I'm giving him the referral outcome sheet to keep with him. It has the email and the phone number for John over at the
All right.
Veterans Treatment Court.
All right, and cause number 2025 CR 009908, the court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 10 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. 200 hours of community service restitution. For every sober support meeting you complete, an hour will be deducted from your community service restitution. Yes. There is going to be a referral to VTC and the court will note that he's been accepted. There's to be, let me see. Do you have any minors that live in the home with you or no? And you have a place to stay? All right. For now, I'm going to do no unsupervised contact with minors. The conditions that I'm giving you, Veterans Treatment Court may change them after they evaluate you further, but this is what I'm giving you now, okay? There's going to be field visits 1 time per month until he's accepted, well, until he's officially entered VTC. Probation, is there anything else? All right, and this cause number is going to run concurrent with 2025 CR 009982. All right, and then we're gonna move into 2025 CR 009982. Sorry, Odyssey is doing the circle thing now. All right, in that case, as previously stated, the court is finding you guilty. The court is finding the enhancements true. And the court is going to sentence you to 10 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider with minors, 200 hours of community service restitution, again, deducting 1 hour for every sober support meeting that's completed, referral to Veterans Treatment Court. The court will note that you've been accepted. No unsupervised contact with minors, field visits 1 time per month until you're officially in the VTC. And this is to run concurrent with 2025 CR 009908. All right, in each of those cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction in each, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney, okay? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You can do this. You're a former veteran, so you can do this. My brothers always tell me, once a veteran, always a veteran. So you can do it, but just make sure you stay in touch with people. And if you think you're not strong enough, you were strong enough to come in representing Boston Red Sox.
Yes, you are.
All right, and not the Texas Rangers or somebody.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. All right, good luck to you, okay? Are you originally from Boston?
No,
Okay, all right. Have a good one, okay?
Okay.
All right, the